today I'll be doing a review and also what's in my bag for one of the bags that I recently purchased a month and a half ago, and that's one of the quarantine things that happened to me, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I purchased. Yeah. So this color has been out for a few months already, and it's always kind of sold out on their site. I've never seen it in person, but yeah, I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, but I wasn't sure if I wanted the canvas one because I know that if it's a messenger, like kind of like a messenger shoulder bag, I would keep opening the flap, and I wasn't sure if like the monogram, the canvas would kind of like curl up or not, and I was kind of hesitant about the reverse monogram. They are really pretty, but I was just like, oh, should I get it? I don't know. It was just always in the back of my head. Never really thought about it. But then when they came out with the Pochette Métis in black Empreinte, I was thinking, oh, I love Empreinte. I think I might get it, but maybe when there's more colors, because black is a little bit too harsh on me because I like wearing light colors. So I want a lighter bag color, like either like maybe a gray or like pink or something. Okay, so when I was on the site lurking around, I was just like, okay, this is sold out, but there's this one day where I saw it. I was like, I did my research. I was like, okay, that's a really nice color. I've never seen it in person, but I am sure that like I will love it because it's a really light color, and I like how it will match with my outfits and stuff. And the color is just absolutely gorgeous. So I went ahead and ordered it, and I've been using it for like a month straight now. I absolutely love it. So in this video, I am going to do like a small review and also like a first impressions, as well as what's in my bag, because I see a lot of people doing what's in my bag and I really enjoy doing those videos, so I might as well do it myself too. So here's the bag. It's the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis in Tourterelle. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's a really nice, they describe it as dove gray. Really nice gray Empreinte color. So the best way for me to describe it is the camera actually does not do its colors justice. It looks really different based on different lightings and stuff like that. So in the camera right now, it looks really like gray, but then like how I'm seeing it in person right now, it's kind of like a light gray, like a beige light gray. And then in like a really bright lighting, it looks like really gray. And that's what I really like about it. It just feels like, oh my gosh, this is like a color changing bag, but it's not, you know. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous in gold hardware. I like how it matches with the gray. This bag holds a lot of things. Like, I can't even explain. Like, I'm gonna do like a more detailed review right now, going in depth, but yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I really like light colors, so I put like a pink twillies from Louis Vuitton as well. Super cute. And the handle strap is kind of like, it's just a gray handle, the same color as this, but it says Louis Vuitton on the top. I was just too lazy to take it out and show you guys. So as you can see, Empreinte is a really nice leather. You can see how grainy it is. And it holds really well too. I do have a small Empreinte key pouch, and I'm actually going to show you guys later on how it held up over the years and compare it with this. I do know that over time, Empreinte, the leather will get more loose. It'll be like less grainy. The graininess will kind of flatten out over time, or that's how it was like for my key pouch. So I could see that like it will like look really nice, like regardless in the future. Okay, as you can see, okay, it says Louis Vuitton here, LV, and then it just shows like this. I have like a sticker on top because I don't want to ruin the metal. So you just click this and you open. You fit in a lot of things. The inside is fabric, and it's really nice sturdy fabric, so it holds up the shape really well. I don't really have to worry about stuffing it that much. So how I currently care for it is right now I'm just putting it on the top of my drawer, and it just holds up really nicely. And because I always have things in there, this is actually my most like used bag right now, so I just constantly have my things in there, and it's just stuffing it, and I don't like flatten or anything, so it's holding up really nicely right now. But keep in mind, it's only been like 1 month in, but I'm sure like the structure of it, everything, like it's gonna hold up really nicely. So continue on. The inside, the lining is fabric, and then there's 3 sections. The middle is the biggest one, and this one is like a little slit, but you could fit in a lot of things. So you can see I stuffed it with a lot of things. And then on the side, you can tell that they actually structured it so it doesn't flatten that easily either. Gold hardware. My first impression was, wow, the gold hardware is perfect with this bag because of how like gorgeous it looks. Let me clap this back in first. Okay. In the back, we have another zipper pocket. So there's a lot of pockets. You don't have to worry about not being able to put in anything. Super sturdy, you could tell like the leather is super sturdy. As for the strap, I did not adjust the strap yet because I think it's like the perfect length. But here you can see it. There's different holes that you can punch through. And it stands up really well too, so I don't have to worry about it falling over the place when I go out and put it somewhere. The strap does not have any logo or anything on it, and I'm completely fine with that because I feel like with this print going on, if you have like print on the strap, it'll be a little bit too much. So how I like to wear it is I like to wear it crossbody and sometimes as like a shoulder bag, and occasionally I would just hold it like this, like, you know. But absolutely gorgeous. I had to get it. Okay, so I'm gonna compare it with my key pouch. So I actually have an Empreinte key pouch that I loved for 2-3 years. I've been using it constantly, and as you can see, this is black Empreinte, and it looks quite different. I'm not saying the color, but I'm saying the texture. You can see over the years, like the graininess really flattened out. Definitely got shinier. I don't know if you can see the side-by-side comparison. But still beautiful regardless. The leather is a lot more softer than when I first bought it. So you can see, I can kind of imagine this. I can't imagine this being like shiny, but I could really imagine like how it'll loosen up over time and it'll just be as beautiful. And I think that's the beauty of Empreinte. Like, some people love it, some people hate it, but I love it. So I'll do a what's in my bag too and show you guys what's in here and how much I can actually fit. I can fit a lot of stuff. Okay, so my first pocket, I have my hand sanitizer because you need it now. These, I have my sunglasses. Also, extra filters for my mask when I go out. I also have AirPods and a lip balm. So that's my first pocket. And then my middle pocket, the second pocket, I have my Chanel wallet. And I also have like an Empreinte zippy. And that's it. But you can see like I loaded it up and like there's still a lot of room. And there's this one time where I put like a jacket in here and it still closed nicely. So yeah. And actually I'm actually gonna also do like a comparison too with this, because I feel like it's hard to see a difference between this and this. So okay, this was from a few months ago, so you can see it looks really different. The graininess is different, and the new one, you can see the print more. The old one, like for the print, it's less obvious. Okay, I don't know if you can tell. Definitely the leather loosen up. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I wear this bag, and so saying all these good things, I have actually one con. The only con I have is that sometimes I have trouble like closing this. I don't know if it's just my bag. If you guys have a Pochette Métis, let me know how yours is like, because sometimes like it's hard, like especially when it's empty. Like when I try to clasp it together, like it takes a while. See, I have to like really press it in for it to work. So I don't know if that's just me or it's like that, but yeah, if you guys know, let me know. But that's like the only con I have with this bag. So I absolutely love this bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In conclusion, my first impression was this bag is gorgeous. I have to have it. It holds up really nicely for now. Love the structure. The Pochette Métis is a really nice piece. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know what you guys think. Comment and subscribe and like. Bye guys.